Hey guys, so we're going to be doing section 8.1, angles of polygons. We're going to talk about exterior angles. I know there's exterior and interior angles of every polygon, but we're going to talk about what I find to be the most important rule when finding interior and exterior angles. Exterior angles, angles outside of a polygon, and you use straight lines to equal 180. Straight lines equal 180. Straight lines equal 180 is the key rule here you're going to use. So in order to use this rule, I'm going to skip over interior. We'll get back to it later. Exterior angle, you need to know the exterior angle theorem. It's a 360 rule, which states all the angles on the outside, every polygon. Could be a quadrilateral, could be a triangle, in this case a pentagon. All the exterior angles, if you know nothing else, if you want to find that x, all you have to do is say, how many exterior angles are there? In this case, 5. They all have to equal 360, so take 360 and divide it by 5. You get 72. That means every single angle is 72. Every exterior angle, that's why it's called the exterior angle theorem. I call it the 360 rule. Look at this one. This really works when they're all regular polygons. I always like to say it really, really works well. It's with all shapes, but especially works well when you want to get the same angle on the outside. So it's always 360 when you add them up, but it really works well. There's something that really works well when it's all congruent. So if it's 60, 60, 60, the exterior angle, extended straight line is 120, 120, 120. Add them together, you get 360. Let's apply it again. 90, 90, 90, 90 in this rectangle, in the square, and the exterior angle equals 360. So this brings up a really important point, which is, if I give you any shape, I tell you the number of sides, 5. You don't even need a picture. If I want the exterior angle, you just do 360 divided by 5. If I said the number of sides was 7, you take 360 divided by 7, and you get all the outsides. If I said it was 6, divided by 6, and that would mean the exterior angles. I'll grab a hexagon here. And that means if it's a regular and they're all equal, this is going to be 60, 60, 60. It seems strange, but every single polygon, the exterior angles always equal 360.